We're back again for another unboxing video. Recently got a phone upgrade, so I had to buy a case for it. And the phone in question is the OnePlus 8T. And the case in question is for the OnePlus 8T. It is called the Feitenn Oneplus 8T metal case. Also saw it under the name Folu, but essentially it's a metal case for the OnePlus 80. And we're gonna jump into the box and see what comes in the box, because I was looking on YouTube for videos on this and I did not see any, so I figured I'd make one. So this comes on the inside of the box. Tools that we're gonna be needing to construct this metallic case phone. Comes with screws and what seems to be a keychain and a tool, I would assume, for the screws. So you can probably see that. So I have tool, tool, and we have what looks like a keychain or a lanyard of sorts. And then we have the screws, which I'm assuming would be for the case itself. You can see the grooves at the top of the screw. If I can get this camera to focus. Yeah, the grooves are what you need the tool for specifically. So, further inside the case, you have this covering. You have your typical auxiliary tools to put on the screen protector that also comes with the case. I won't be putting on potentially the screen protector, even though it looks kind of sturdy and I kind of want to, but the OnePlus came with a screen protector already. I don't want to give myself extra work, so that's that. And then this is the case itself. Never settle case for OnePlus 8T. Very sturdy. Very sturdy case, very big case, rugged case. Ensure that you protect your phone. That's how big it looks in comparison to my hand holding it, I guess. So also comes with a slider adjustment. You can see it on the front and on the back. Here, this button thing here. That's for your slider. I can get it. That's for the slider. So take this out. Take this out from the inside. And that is the case in its entirety. And this is where you would now use the tools to unscrew the case. There you go. So it comes apart. And the back part also comes apart. If I can, there we go. So it basically comes in 3 pieces. They have your 2 metallic back plate, front plate, and then you have the insert in the middle. And that's the case in its entirety. So you put your phone in this and it will be snug as a bug in a rug. And it fits pretty flush. You can see the edgings there, fits pretty flush. And then you just drop on face cover for this. Put in your screws and you're good to go. And just like that, our OnePlus 8T is now completely protected from all the potential hazards that may befall a phone of this standing. You have a nice little rubber feel here as well from the insert in the middle that also keeps the phone, I guess, when you have it on a surface from sliding around too much, because the rubber helps add traction. So yeah, there you go. Feitenn or Folu OnePlus 8T metal case, heavy duty, hardcover, armor, military bumper, shockproof, all that good stuff. Corners are protected. Overall, just a really good case, I would say. Has drop protection, high grade rubber silicone cushion that will protect it from most drops and scrapes. It's also dust proof, so you won't find yourself having to worry much about that, because it has even a plug cover here at the bottom for the charging port, so it's pretty much completely insulated from outside elements. And this hole right here that you're seeing right here is for this lanyard, keychain, whatever you want to call it. You can just push that through there. There you go, see? And it operates like a keychain if you want to attach it to anything specific or attach your keys to it or whatever, but that is also an option too, so that's pretty sweet. But yeah, there you go. Metal cover and silicone inner layer. Hopefully this unboxing was helpful, and if you are also someone that was looking into this case but couldn't find any unboxing videos for it on YouTube, hopefully this helped. So that's it for me, your friendly neighborhood gamer, GimmeDaWin, aka Zaga Comet, signing off for now. Another unboxing video done. Telling you as always, keep on gaming.
Come here, girl. Go ahead, be gone with it. Come to the back. Go ahead, be gone with it. VIP. Go ahead, be gone with it. Drinks on me. Go ahead, be gone with it. Go ahead, be gone.